What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so we need to find the volume of this shape right here. Well, what do we have in this shape? We have this right here, which is a cone. And then up here, this heaping scoop of ice cream that's on top, right, just on top, is going to be half of a sphere, okay? So what do we know? Well, what we know is that the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. And what I also know is that the volume of a cone is going to be 1/3 pi r squared times its height. Okay? So the volume total is going to equal to half of the volume of a sphere so it's going to be, let's see if I can draw this here. Right, so that's this half of the sphere plus the volume of the cone. So it's also here as well. So it's right on top of that red. So we gotta be careful here, okay? So I guess maybe I should make that actually, let's make that like purple because it's being shared by the red and the blue, and red and blue makes purple. All right, so, all right, here we go. So I got 1/2, 4 times 4/3, or I should say, I should just do this, right? So let me take out that dot. And make a parentheses, 4/3 times pi r cubed plus 1/3 pi r squared times that height. Okay, so what is the radius of this? Well, the radius is typically from the center all the way to the edge. If that would stay in the center, and let's see if I can move it to the, there you go. All right, so that is my radius. Okay, what is that radius? Well, if the full length is 16 centimeters, then my radius must equal to 8. Okay, now that radius is shared by the sphere and by the cone. So that part is nice. So now I have 1/2 times 4/3 times pi times 8 raised to the 3rd power plus 1/3 pi times 8 squared times the height. What was the height of that cone? That is going to be 20 centimeters. Okay, now I should put some parentheses around this, right? Just to be smart so that I don't get into any kind of trouble here as I'm doing this. All right, so let's take a look. So let me see here. I got 1/2 times, what is 8 to the 3rd? 8 to the 3rd is times 512 plus 1/3 times pi times 64 times 20. And that should all be in blue. There we go. All right, so let's keep on going. So I need 4/3, well, essentially I need to multiply the 1/2 times the 4/3 times the 512 because there's nothing to distribute here because this is a monomial, so it's just a single term. So I'm not really distributing, I'm just multiplying. So I need to do 1/2 times 4/3 times 512. So 512 times 4/3 times 1/2. And I get, ooh, shoot. Wrong entry. I get 341 1/3 pi plus, what's 1/3 times 64 times 20. I'm gonna get 426 2/3 pi so this is gonna end up being, oopsies, this is again in blue. Come on now, Chan, you gotta be on top of this. So this is going to equal to 768 pi. All right. Now, 768 pi would be known as the exact answer. Okay. So if they wanted exact answer, then this would be it. However, we're not looking for the exact answer. We're just looking to see what this actually equals to. So we would take the 768 and multiply it by, and actually use the pi key on your calculator. And we're going to get 2,412. And if we round it to the, it does tell me to round it to the nearest whole number. So it's going to be 2,413 cubic centimeters. And why is it cubic centimeters? Because this is r cubed, and the r is going to be 8 centimeters. So it'll be centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, which will give me centimeters cubed. Over here, r squared would be 8 centimeters times centimeters. So that's centimeters squared times the height, which is also centimeters. So it'll be, again, centimeters cubed. So with that being said, that is answer D. And hope that helps. And if there's any questions, please let me know. All right. And I should probably do this and say that way. All right, there we go. And if you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye.